of make-believe will fill your heart with joy. A castle leads the entranceway to 7 lands and more. Step inside our storybook, imagine what's in store.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Magic Kingdom.
It's all your magic, wrapped up in pixie dust. Welcome to a place where dreams come true. A timeless journey through lands of fantasy. We're holding your wish. The most magical place on earth is here.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the most magical place on earth, the Magic Kingdom! It certainly is nice to see all your smiling faces. Hello there! Hello! Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Christopher George Weaver, the mayor of Main Street, USA, and it's time to gather around everyone because in just a few minutes we're going to officially open the Magic Kingdom. But we can't do that until Mickey and all the gang arrive on the Walt Disney World steam train. They have been very busy getting the Magic Kingdom ready for a day full of memories. Greetings, everyone. Let's say hi to our guests.
Hi there, good to see you.
Let's welcome our new friends.
Hello, welcome.
And a very good morning from all of us here in the Magic Kingdom.
Good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning, sunbeams will soon shine through. Good morning to you.
When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright.
Now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say goodnight. So good morning, rainbows are shining through. Good morning to you.
Now this is a very special morning indeed. For you see, Mickey's invited the Hepburn family all the way from London, England, to ride with him on the train. Help us create some magic and open the park. Is everyone ready? We're so glad to see you. And get ready for a magical day. Hey everybody, did you hear that? That is a Walt Disney World steam train. It must be coming round the bend. Mickey and the gang will be here any minute.
Junior coming down the track with a smoky stack. Hear it pumping coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every Jack and Jill.
Look everyone, the steam train's arriving and now we can open the Magic Kingdom. Hip hip hooray!
Junior's back again. 632 times 638. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine and my rain. 632 times 638. 632 times 638. My oh my, what a smoke is there. Plenty of sunshine and my rain. 632 times Jack and Jill.
Hey everybody, let's give Mickey, the Hepburn family, and all the gang a big hand.
Hi, everybody. Gosh, it's great to see you.
My golly, it's good to see you too, Mickey. We thought you'd never get here. It certainly is good to see him, isn't it, everybody? So tell me, Mickey, are we ready to open the park?
Yup, we sure are, aren't we, gang?
All right, let's get the Hepburns here in the middle, get some of that magic going, and get this park open. What do you think about that, Mickey?
Gosh, that's swell. Hi there. Thanks for helping us today.
All right, everybody, let's count down backwards from 10 and open the park.
Okay, gang, count nice and loud. Here we go. And
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,